Most M ASCP candidates fail for one simple reason. They study hard, but follow the wrong plan. Stay with me, and you'll learn the exact steps to pass on the first try. I'll reveal the proven 85% rule that tells you when you are truly ready. This could save you months of wasted effort. Welcome to MLC Academy, the global leader in ASCP certification prep. This video shows you how to pass the M ASCP exam with a clear action plan. No fluff, no guessing, just the steps that work. If you are serious about passing, you're in the right place. First, know the official requirements. Check the ASCP Board of Certification site for eligibility, application details, and scoring. Always rely on that page for the latest official information. Now, let's build the plan. Step 1. Create a powerful study routine. A healthy lifestyle fuels a sharp brain. Sleep early before 11 p.m. in a dark room. This boosts memory and energy. Cut refined sugar to avoid brain fog. Eat brain food like eggs, broccoli, fatty fish, and dark chocolate. These small habits keep your mind clear and focused every day. Step 2. Use active study methods. Write notes by hand instead of only reading. Writing imprints facts deeper in your memory. Study in long focus sessions. 4 hours in one block beats 2 hours split across days. Morning sessions are best when your brain is fresh and alert. Step 3. Follow the 85% Q-Bank rule. Use a trusted question bank for every subject area. Work through Q and AMP, modules until you score at least 85%. Then move to the quiz module and reach 85% again. Only then switch to the next topic. This score signals real readiness for that part of the syllabus. Step 4. Time your booking wisely. Do not schedule the exam until you consistently score above 85% in all subjects. The ASCP application and approval can take up to 45 days. Wait until you are fully prepared before you book. Step 5. Know the test center. After ASCP approval, you will schedule through Pearson VUE. Visit the center in advance so you know the route, parking, and timing. This removes last-minute stress and helps you stay calm. Step 6. Final review. Rewrite the entire syllabus once with pen and paper before test day. This builds a mental library you can access during the exam. Step 7. Exam day tactics. Sleep well the night before. Choose an early morning slot when your brain is sharp. Stay hydrated and dress for the weather. Expect a few out-of-syllabus survey questions. They will not affect your score, so don't panic. Thousands of lab professionals have passed with MLC Academy. Our expert-led live classes, on-demand lessons, concise study guides, and deep Q-Banks give you everything you need to succeed. You can start at dash.mlsiacademy.com when you are ready to take action. Let's recap how to pass the M ASCP exam. Live a healthy lifestyle. Study actively with pen and paper. Use the 85% rule in your question banks. Book only when you are fully ready and confident. Visit the test center early. Sleep well and stay calm on exam day. Follow these steps and you can pass the M ASCP exam with confidence and clarity. Explore our prep platform for expert guidance. In our next video, we'll cover how to prepare for the M ASCP technologist in microbiology exam in detail. Subscribe or check the channel for that breakdown. Stay focused. Stay consistent. You've got this, and success is within reach.